Have you ever wondered if a simple cup of tea could revolutionize your daily wellness routine? Today, we reveal a unique beverage that combines ginger, peach, and turmeric into one refreshing drink. This natural blend offers benefits that may surprise you and elevate your health in ways you never imagined. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind its extraordinary effects. In this video, we explore ginger peach turmeric tea benefits and how this vibrant herbal infusion can boost energy levels and support overall wellness. We will share the origins of each ingredient and provide practical tips on how to incorporate this delicious tea into your daily routine. Get ready to embark on an engaging journey into natural health. Many people face challenges such as low energy, poor digestion, and chronic inflammation. Modern lifestyles and unbalanced diets often leave us feeling tired and out of sync. Finding a remedy that is both enjoyable and effective can be difficult. The search for a natural solution to restore balance and improve health has led many to seek alternatives that are both safe and satisfying. As we dive deeper into the science behind this tea blend, we learn that ginger provides a warming effect that supports digestion and soothes discomfort. Peach lends a gentle sweetness along with valuable antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Turmeric, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce joint pain and promotes a healthy immune system. When these ingredients combine, they create a synergistic effect that improves energy, eases inflammation, and supports a balanced lifestyle. Traditional wisdom and modern research both back the powerful benefits of this unique blend, making it a reliable ally in your quest for better health. The turning point comes when you realize that this tea is not merely a beverage, but a potent elixir for the body. The combined forces of ginger, peach, and turmeric work together to clear sluggishness and revitalize your inner strength. This revelation can transform the way you approach your daily health and inspire you to adopt a more natural, balanced lifestyle. In summary, we have examined ginger peach turmeric tea benefits and discovered how its natural ingredients work in harmony to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost energy. This journey into a vibrant herbal blend shows that natural remedies can be both delicious and effective in promoting a healthier life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these insights, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave your comments below. Click the notification bell for more natural health tips and join our community of wellness enthusiasts today.